Right, so being asked to make a video about this, and as you can see there is no clamping force, it just wiggles from side to side. Even though the handles are fully clamped up, it's just useless. There's no force holding it there. As soon as my hand comes away, it just slopes to the side. Absolutely useless. Take it off. Try and put it on. I can even hold it up, like modestly straight, so that it should be about aligned perfectly. Clamp it down, and it just wiggles. Absolutely useless. And the other two, I mean, that one doesn't even go as closed as the other ones do. They just don't close up, don't do the job. I can try it with one of the other clamps. Put that on instead. Do exactly the same thing. I am trying to video at the same time here, so it's quite difficult. But bring that across, put that on there, have that in, clamp it down, and it's just got no force holding it. So yeah, just rocks about like a crazy thing. Absolutely useless for my purposes.